Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about Black Friday discounts reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and do not skip any part of it. Now we are going to discuss about this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products does it offer to the customers. So this is an online shopping site which deals with television sets, printers, iPads, video game consoles and some other products. So if you're interested in checking them out, you have to visit to their official site. So next we'll check the other details. So first we'll check their payment option. They have given it here. You can pay through Visa, PayPal, Stripe, MasterCard and also cash on delivery. Now we are going to check their shipping policy to check the shipping timing. So here they have given the processing timing and also the shipping timing. So the processing timing takes 1 to 3 business days and there are two shipping methods. One is standard and the other is expedited. So under standard shipping it takes 12 to 25 working days and under expedited shipping it takes 8 to 12 working days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. So now let's discuss about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information of this site, this website was registered on 2nd of November 2021 and it is going to expire on 2nd of November 2022, which means it is a newly formed website and hence it can't be trusted easily. Now let's check their about us details. So when it comes to their about us details, they haven't provided any information regarding their business establishment year or about their founder identity, which is a drawback of this website. So next we'll move on to their contact details. Here also they have only given the email address and the physical address. Also we have checked the physical address and the physical address seems very suspicious because they haven't given their proper address. But the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now if we want to know about their social media presence, well, this website has mentioned that they have social media presence over Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and some others. But we have checked out by ourselves and we have found out that this website does not have any social media presence at all. If you click on any of these icons, it will only lead you to your own social media account. So this is also a drawback. So next we are going to check the return and refund policy. Also in the return policy, they haven't given their accurate return timing. They've only mentioned that if you want to cancel the order and get refund, you have to contact them before the item is dispatched. And as you can see about the refund, they have said that once your return have been approved, they will send your money back to your original mode of payment within a maximum of 20 working days. So do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the Black Friday discounts reviews, this website does not have any reviews at all. Also, the Trust Index score of this website is only 1% and the business trust ranking is 42.7%, which is very low and bad. And the content quality also is totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the Black Friday discounts reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. This website is very new. It does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't provided their genuine contact details and the trust score is also very bad. So it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.